Hello everybody, this is JP Hrisoulas, the Cranky Old Bastard, with the next installment of the Welded Wire Blade. The bone is been cleaned up. As you can see, it has gotten a lot lighter in color. Flip this around. You see it's got some nice color variations in it. Dark reds, purplish colors, little crimson. You can see about the modeling on the bone coloration. Getting a piece uniform is very difficult because of the way the bone grows. It's porous, it's an organic material. It grows the way it grows, and you basically get what you get. I find it quite attractive this way, much more so than a solid color, although there are times when a solid color is nice depending on the blade style. Since this is going to be getting the bronze pins, although I might do German silver pins yet, I haven't decided yet, but I think the German silver would be a nice contrast to the phosphor bronze on either end. I'm also thinking of doing a black horn spacer on either end between the horn, between the bone and the bolster, and the bone and the pommel plate. I think that'd be a nice little accent. Now, a word to the wise: when you're working with horn, be very careful with these sharp edges, especially on these kind of ends here, because these things can cut you like a knife. And I've opened my hand up to where I actually had to go get like half a dozen stitches because this bone just sliced me like a razor blade. So be careful about that. Also, when you work this material, wear a respirator, because that bone dust is not good for your lungs. It could really put the hurt on you and get you some really major health problems. Old bone workers and ivory carvers used to what they call carver's consumption, which is totally unpleasant and not a very nice way to die, because I can think of a lot better ways to go than by coughing up parts of your lungs, almost like tuberculosis. But the bone's done. It's ready to fit up. The blade itself here, it has been, the ricasso has been annealed. That's ready for my chop mark. It has been pre-polished. As you can see, it's all nice and shiny. And I will go ahead and go over this once more with the sisal wheel and the black emery. Got a nice little optical illusion going there, like there's a center ridge down the blade, but it's not, it's just the way the light hits it. And after I got to still weld it, throw the tang, I welded on the extension. And it's got to be long enough to go all the way through with the material on either end. So I'll have about that much sticking out after I do the bolsters, the pommel plates, and the horn spacers. So I just about got that perfect. And then I got to match the angle to the back end of the grip, because I like that rakish look on the back of the grip there, right here, like that. So that's where it is right now. I will go ahead and round this up here and thread that. That'll be the next video. I still got to chop it, put a chop mark on there, and then it's one more buff, degrease it, and taper the tang down a little bit, and then into the etch it goes. And once that's done, I'll pull that out. I'll be able to fit the bolster plate and the pommel plate and the horn pieces. I'm going to put them on there. I still haven't decided yet if I'm going to do that. Other than that, that's where it is. It should be done here. A couple more episodes. Next one will be threading the tang, and etching will be the last one after that. That'll be it until the etch is done. And the etching takes about 45 minutes to an hour, maybe an hour and a half, depending on the temperature and the material and a whole bunch of other variable things. You just check it. I'll get into etching about etching materials and formula and etching liquids and how it affects the blade and everything else. So it's coming along fine. I kind of like it. Like I said, it turned out to be what it's turned out to be, and which is a big old knife. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening. May the wise Lord bless and keep you. Please hit the subscribe button, and please hit the like button. And I shall return shortly with the next episode. Have a good night. Once again, may the wise Lord keep and bless you. Bye-bye.